In this lesson, we will understand the use cases of Hugging Face. Hugging Face supports a wide range of use cases across NLP, computer vision, and even multimodal applications. Let us see the use cases. Hugging Face is widely used. We have discussed some key use cases here. Beginning with conversational AI, which you already know, that is chatbots. Okay, build intelligent chatbots using models like GPT, BlenderBot, and others. These chatbots can be used for customer support like virtual assistants. With that, you can also create interactive dialogue systems. These can be used as educational assistants as well as therapy bots. Next comes sentiment analysis. As the name suggests, you can easily analyze customer feedback, analyze their social media posts or the responses to surveys so that you can determine the sentiment, that is, it is positive, negative or neutral. With that, easily generate text, generate articles, blogs, even poems using models like GPT. Codes can also be easily generated. Generate code snippets in any programming language. With that, content can be generated, including product descriptions, review, marketing plans, and others. Next comes text summarization. If you want to summarize your text, let's say you want to summarize news, you can easily do it. With that, let's say you have some PDF documents and you only want to summarize it. Those lengthy documents can be easily summarized into important points. With that, you can also jot down meeting notes. Then comes your named entity recognition. Easily extract names, skills and experience from resumes. It is also useful in healthcare to identify, diagnosis, the name of patients, some medical terms and others. With that, you can also extract name of companies, how they are working from their financial reports as well. Therefore, it is also used in the finance domain. Machine translation, as the name suggests, you can translate your website, app, and even documents from one language to another, let's say from English to Spanish. It can also be used in languages which have low resources, that is for translation. Question answering use case is mostly useful for customer support. With that, easily answer the questions asked by students based on a specific textbook or notes. FAQs can be easily answered, and when I said customer support, that itself means like we have seen support tickets on websites so that users can easily ask questions. With that, you can easily retrieve answers from large documents or databases. Also use it for speech recognition and synthesis. You can also convert speech to text, build voice controlled applications using speech to text and text to speech models. You can also provide real-time captioning, generate descriptions for images. Let's say you have scanned document or images and you want text from it, you can easily achieve this. Also, if you want to read or scan images, that can also be achieved. That means visual question answering. Then comes your recommendation systems. You must have seen it on Netflix or Amazon Prime. You can easily recommend movies or web series using what people are actually liking in their account. With that, enhance the search results by understanding the intent of users and their context. Also detect frauds easily. With that, regarding emails, easily detect and filter spam emails. Mental health can also be monitored using a model. Easily analyze text or speech so that the emotions can be detected, such as stress, anxiety, or even depression. With that, understand the emotions of customers during support calls or even chat. Text to speech and speech to text can also be achieved, and real-time translations can be easily worked upon. Multimodal applications analyze video content easily. With multimodal applications, you can easily analyze not even text but also video and audio. Augmented reality applications can also be built. Easily generate synthetic text data for training machine learning models. You can also paraphrase text, also identify relationship between entities in text, grade the essays or assignments of students easily, build tools for grammar correction, vocabulary, rephrasing content, and others. Use in healthcare and life sciences. From the medical records of a patient, you can easily extract the insights. From legal documents, easily extract the key clauses, obligation, or any possible risk. With that, you can also create AI-driven narratives for games. Analyze social media easily so that you can identify the trending topics or even hashtags. Also analyze the impact of posts done by influencers. Multilingual applications can also be created so that you can enable search across multiple languages. Hate speech and harmful content is something that needs to work on. With this, you can easily detect and moderate them. Easily predict the stock market trends by analyzing news articles, social media sentiments, Twitter posts, and others. Predict events like a product launch, personalize email content for marketing campaigns, customize website or app content based on user preferences and behavior. Fine-tune pre-trained models for your specific task. Also, you can compare the performance of different models on custom datasets. So guys, we saw some of the great use cases of Hugging Face. In the upcoming lessons, we will implement some of them.